regarding the regularization of employees who had been working in sanctioned posts but were appointed on an ad hoc basis. As you're aware that earlier the Supreme Court had come out with this ruling, and based on that ruling, a large number of ad hoc employees and a one-time provision was given where employees without the district selection, without MPSC, or without any proper procedure or advertisement or following the different reservation policy, the departments had appointed individuals on an ad hoc basis against sanctioned posts. A large number of those people were earlier regularized as a one-time affair, but a few people were missed out. And based on the court ruling and based also on a case that has been filed by those employees who were missed out, another list of 3,635 such employees have today the decision has been made that the process to regularize them will be done, and basically based on that the procedure will start, and they will be regularized from the date of the notification of the regularization, and after the procedure and process is followed, and also they will be governed by all the rules and regulations that are there that are applicable to other government employees. Employees are employees who have been working from 1997, 98, some even from 1995, but the cutoff date for us is 2007. So we are going to regularize those employees from those with the cutoff date of 2007, and those who have been now technically they've been working 15 years, if you see from 2007 to 2022, and as I said, they have been working against sanctioned post. What is very, very important to note that this is not for all casual employees, this is not for all ad hoc employees, or this is not even for temporary appointments. This is for individuals who are working against sanctioned post, who are already enjoying the pay scale that a normal employee, a regular employee gets, but they are still on ad hoc basis because the process of selection and the selection process was not followed when they were appointed. They were appointed directly as ad hoc basis, but it was against the sanctioned post, and they are receiving scale. And once they regularize, it's not that they're going to get the regular salary, they're already getting the regular salary as it is. So it's a question of just regularizing those posts. So this is very different from many other locations where temporary appointments have been made without sanctioned posts.